Alright, hello everyone, how are you all doing? In today's video, we are going to talk about the iPhone XS Max and should you update your device to this firmware or not. My name is Jay, you are watching Tech Hype. Let's begin without wasting any more time. Alright, so the iPhone XS is a pretty good device even in 2021. We all are aware about that, right? You all are not here to watch the review of iPhone XS. That is it worth buying in 2021 or not? Let's talk about this update. This update on the iPhone XS Max and iPhone XS, both of these devices use same processor and same RAM. Both of these devices have barely any difference. It's just the screen size is bigger on the Mac. Everything that I'm saying for the iPhone XS Max will mean same for the iPhone XS if you're using that. Let's talk about the performance of iPhone XS Max on this firmware. So I have been using this device on this firmware for a while now, and this device is really good in terms of performance. In terms of stability, this device is top notch. In short, every device on the iOS 14.5 is performing really damn good on the iOS 14.5. Well, talking about the bugs, there are not really a lot of bugs that I got on the iPhone XS on this firmware. The only bug that annoyed me was the glitch of while switching. I was just switching between apps and there was a glitch in between that. So that was a thing that annoyed me, and apparently a lot of people too. I talked to some of my friends on Twitter at the rate Tech Hype. You can follow me there if you want to. And those people also said that I had some issue while using my iPhone XS and doing some multitasking. There was some animation glitch. So there is that, but it is not like a really big deal that I would not update to this firmware just because of this. Talking about the screen on time, what was the screen on time on this device when I was using this device for the whole day? What was my screen on time? So I ended my day with over 35 percentage, which is just pretty darn good for sure. I mean, my device is not at 100% of battery health, but still I managed to not kill this device in like a day, and my usage was about for 6.5 hours. And remember, my usage and your usage is really different. Everyone have a different type of usage, so it may vary for you. And my battery health is, by the way, at 87 percentage, and still I managed to end my day at 35%. So that's pretty good for such an old device, ending the day with over 30 percentage. By the way, I have a max variant, so if you have a normal variant, the iPhone XS, it may vary a lot for you, because I have heard iPhone XS user not able to end the day with like 10% or like ending the day with 5% or barely any battery. So the difference between battery life on the XS and XS Max is just a lot. Alright, now we are at the final part, which is the scores and the conclusion. Should you update your device to this firmware or not? Well, in my opinion, if you are a normal consumer, if you are even a gamer on your iPhone XS or XS Max, you can go ahead and update your device to this firmware. This firmware is just much more better than the iOS 14.4.1, 14.4.2, 14.4, even that, because security features on this firmware is just amazing and one of the best I have seen on any iOS firmware in a while. And well, that's pretty much it for today's episode. If this was helpful for you all, consider dropping a like, because it does help me out a lot, and subscribing to the channel would be appreciated if you are interested in this type of content, because I do tend to make more videos like these almost every single day. Peace out, and I'll meet you all in the very next episode. Have a great day and stay safe, everyone.